In this video, you'll learn how to set up your Pixel 5 and insert the SIM card. By the end of this guide, you will have your device ready for use with proper network connectivity. Begin by locating the SIM tray on your Pixel 5. The tray is typically found on the side of the device. To open it, you will need a SIM eject tool, which often comes included with the phone. If you do not have a SIM eject tool, a small paper clip can also work. Carefully insert the SIM eject tool into the small hole next to the SIM tray. Apply gentle pressure until the tray is removed. Take your SIM card and ensure it is correctly oriented. The SIM card should fit snugly in the tray, aligning with the tray's shape to avoid any misplacement. After placing the SIM card in the tray, slide the tray back into the Pixel 5. Ensure that it is fully inserted and sits flush with the device's edge. It is important to keep the phone powered off during this process to ensure a proper network connection. Next, power on your Pixel 5 by pressing and holding the power button located on the side of the device. Once the phone vibrates or you see the Google logo, release the power button. The device will boot up and display the welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to select your preferred language. After making your choice, connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password if required. This connection is essential for downloading updates and signing in to your Google account. When prompted, sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it allows your data, contacts and apps to sync with the device. After signing in, continue through the setup prompts, adjusting preferences and settings as necessary. As you complete the setup, the device will automatically detect the SIM network. Wait for a moment while it establishes the connection. Once connected, check the signal strength indicator at the top of the screen to ensure you have mobile connectivity. If updates are available, it is advisable to install them for optimal performance. Your Pixel 5 is now fully set up and ready to use. You can customize further settings according to your preferences, such as display options and notifications. Make sure to explore the device to familiarize yourself with its features. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.